Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to create a PDF viewer app using Pdf.js in Sketchware Pro. So this is the app which I have created, and you can see that when I click on open PDF, I can pick any PDF file like this one and it will load or open the PDF file. So you can then read this PDF file, you can zoom it. Okay, let's go to some place. So you can zoom the contents, you can select the contents, and also you can copy the contents. So, and you can also see the chapters and go to any chapter which you want. Okay, so here you can see you cannot select the images, but you can read the PDF. So I'll show you how to create this in Sketchware. So let's move to Sketchware. Here in main.xml, I have added a text view called TextView1, and below this I have added a web view, and ID of this web view is PDF web view. Okay, you can use any other ID, but in quotes then you have to change that ID. In library manager, I have switched on app compat and design. Then in asset manager, we have to add this Pdf.js. So what we have to do is download Pdf.js. So here, this is a blog post which I have written about this, and you can go to this link, Mozilla GitHub Pdf.js. Okay, and from on this link, click on pre-built modern browsers stable version download. So when you click on this, you will be able to download this zip file. Okay, and after this you have to extract the zip file. So I have already extracted a zip file, and I will just show you where I have extracted it. Okay, so this is the extracted zip file, build, web and license. So then you have to go to asset manager and create a new folder, Pdf.js. Inside this folder you have to import. Click on import file and then go to downloads and then the extracted file, and select all these three and click on select items, and it will automatically import these items. So after importing this, import a PDF file and rename it as sample.pdf. Okay, so after importing all these things, go to components and create a file picker component, fp of mime type application/pdf. Then in onCreate, define settings or web settings as pdf webview.getSettings, and for in settings enable JavaScript and allow file access. After this, define a string PDF path which will be the file path of sample.pdf, and define another string called viewer URL, and here define the path of viewer.html which is in assets folder, which is android underscore asset slash pdf.js folder slash web folder slash viewer.html, and after that put a question mark, then file equal to, and then put the PDF path. So this will be the path of the PDF file, and then load it in WebView. Here in the new Sketchware Pro, we have to write binding dot before the ID of the WebView. So in this, load the viewer URL. Okay, so this will load the sample.pdf in onCreate event. When TextView1 is clicked, use file picker to pick files, and then on files picked event, first we get the URI. So define a URI as null, and then from the data on files picked event get the URI of the file. After getting the URI, if URI is not null, then define a temporary file in cache directory as temp.pdf. Okay, after I define input stream, output stream, open input stream for the URI, and then copy the URI into this temp.pdf, which is in cache directory. So we'll copy the input stream for the URI into the output stream for temporary file using this code. And after copying it, we define a viewer URL as this viewer.html query file equal to plus file // then temporary file dot get absolute path. So then we load it in the WebView, and that's all. And after that we catch all exceptions, and then we can run the project. So I have already shown you the project. I'll just show you once again. So this is the project, and here you can open any PDF file like this one. This is a larger file, so it is taking some time. So this is the PDF file. Here you can click on any chapter, like you can click on table of contents, or I can click on preoperative care and like that. So this is how you can load PDFs in WebView using Pdf.js. So that's on this video. Thank you very much for watching this.